How to mute subscribers in Telegram group. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can mute subscribers on Telegram group. So let's dive in. First you have to go to your app store and then search for Telegram, and here you have to open the Telegram app and update it. Now you can do this on your Android too. And once the app is updated, you have to go back and then you have to open your Telegram app and now open the group. In the group, you have to click this group icon in the top right corner and it's going to bring you to this page. Now just click the subscriber that you want to mute. And here you have this option of mute. You simply have to click this mute icon and then you have this option of mute forever. Just click this option and that's how you mute subscribers on Telegram group. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.